how to allow smart view to mirror your screen on Homecast on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connect Devices. After click on Connect Devices, scroll down and click on Smart View. After click on Smart View, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Smart View settings, click on Labs. After click on Labs, you will see Chromecast spot is here. If you want to allow Chromecast, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see allow Smart View to mirror your screen on Homecast on Samsung Galaxy is allowed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can allow Smart View to mirror your screen on Homecast on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.